What's up, beauty queens? Today, we have another Typewriter Series, and there's a new kindling up on the signal fire for all those who subscribe. It's a good one, so go do it. Here's your wee paper, Typewriter Series 442. There's a bunch going on here, front and back. Kids' drawings. It looks like maybe a firefighting airplane dropping stuff on a house fire, which would probably crush the house. I don't know what's happening on the back. Either way, it's an inspiring piece. Here's your poem. The fog comes when you go, and it's too bad that wishing it would clear and wishing you were here doesn't make it so. Interesting rhyme on that one. Have a good day. I'll probably see you tomorrow. I love you a lot. Be sweet.